Hello everyone, this is Aditya. So today's quick tip, if you want to invest in Windsor, Ontario, then listen to my good friend Cassidy.
Hey! All right, so as a real estate agent, these are the three most common questions I get. What are the best strategies in neighborhoods in Windsor? How can I find good off-market deals? And do you have a good blank to recommend? So mortgage agent, inspector, contractors, whatever it is. So I have good news for you. I do have answers to all these questions, and you can find them all at Win City OREC on March 16th. Get your tickets.
Awesome. So see you guys all at OREC event, and I'll put the link below where you can find the tickets.
See you there.
See you guys.
So you're here to succeed in real estate investing, then you're at the right spot. Today I'm going to teach you a must skill in order to be a successful real estate investor, that is analyzing a cash flow of a property. You must know how to analyze the property quickly, because there will be tons of properties every day coming new into the market. If you don't know how to analyze a property quickly, you're gonna end up doing a lot of analysis and stick with the paralysis and do not invest at the end because you have burned out yourself. So if you want to save yourself, then do yourself a favor. Just focus for next couple of minutes, see what I'm saying, and also I'm gonna leave this Excel sheet in the description. I'll try to put it in a link where you can download. So this Excel sheet is a very quick, like higher level analyzing. If you like, if you like the numbers that you see briefly, then spend more time in viewing the property, spend more time in doing due diligence. So this is just a first step. So view it as a first step. So let me get into the content, show you how I do the analysis with a real example by taking the property that is on the market right now. Okay, awesome. So now I'm on my screen, on my computer screen. So I kept the MLS open because I'm an agent, so I have the MLS full database access. But usually if you're an investor, if you're not an agent, so you can ask your agent to send you the listing. So I'm going to pick a property that I have seen yesterday. This is 329 Perry. I have seen this duplex. It's a nice upper unit, 1 bedroom, and a main floor 2 bedroom, plus then it's a good size. And upper unit is a little bit smaller, but the main floor is a good size with a good sized den, and it's nicely renovated recently. So I'm picking up this property to do the cash flow analysis. So let's check it out. Property. First thing, take the purchase price. So he's asking 199. So that's my purchase price. I'm going to throw it in here. And let me go back, see if they have any rent. So basically, if the units are vacant, they don't put the rents here. If the units are already occupied, you should be able to see the current existing rents. So check out the existing rents. If they don't have one, like this one, this is vacant. So here it says that the upper unit upstairs open for living room and the plus eat in kitchen, full attached washroom, shower and everything, blah blah blah. But it doesn't say anything about the rents. So basically, if you don't know the rents, ask your agent. If your agent is experienced, then definitely they must have an idea. Also for your analysis sake, you can get the average rental details on CMHC website if you're in Canada. If you're in US, I'm sure there should be a way to find out how to do the cash flow, how to find the rents in that market area. So there are many applications in US which makes your life even easier. For us, we have to find a 1 year CMHC. So let me not waste much time here. So basically, I will look for income on the property. So now you know the income. So for this one, it's a 1 bedroom unit upstairs and the 2 bedroom plus den downstairs. So for the upstairs, if I go conservative, 750 easy, and for upstairs, if I go conservative, 1300 easy. So that's the income I'm expecting in a month. So because I have this the cash flow analysis Excel sheet ready, so when I enter the purchase price plus rents, it will automatically populate most of the information here. Because let me go over it quickly. So gross income, which is just your income and your annual like total, minus vacancy rate. So I'm considering vacancy as 3%. So this one has done the calculations, 3% of the rent. So that is $62 per month, and yearly this is worth $738 per month. So effective gross income, which is like gross income minus vacancy. So your gross effective income per month is 1989, and then taxes. So basically either you should see on MLS. If you don't, and sometimes it's good to verify on the city website. So I have the website open. If you're looking at Windsor, Ontario, we have a website where you can find the property tax information in my e-services property tax information, and then enter your address. I just kept it open for the quick analysis purpose, but you can just find a quick minute and search for it, and usually I have already bookmarked the website. So it's 1686. So I would take a little bit higher because of the, it's the taxes always go up every year, due to the inflation and many other reasons. So I put it as 1800. And insurances. So if you have a insurance broker whom you deal with regularly, just give him a call, find out. Also depends on the condition of the property, but always there will be give or take a ballpark number that you can consider. So from my experience, for a duplex this size, I would get insurance less than 1500 per year. So I throw it in there. And the utilities, this one actually it says both have separate meters, hydro and gas. Go through the description. So look for it. If you're looking at the multi units, I would at least look for something that has a hydro and gas separate meters. Most of the cases water will be inclusive. So utilities, so you have to pay for water, right? So water in our area, basically for a duplex for 2 units, if there are like 4 or 5 people living, on an average I would say 1,800 per year. So that's your ballpark range I would go with. So per month would be $150. And then management I just consider as a 6%, just a ballpark, depends on the area, depends on the type of sizes of the property. Repairs ballpark 6%, also depends if you're going for newer property it will be less, if you're going for an older property it will be higher. And I'm just throwing some other miscellaneous things, there will be always something, so I just throw in some numbers there. So based on these numbers, you can see here net operating income is 1,196. Cap rate is 7.8, which is not bad. In this area right now, the properties are selling around 6 to 8%. Depends on the condition. If it is turnkey, the cap rate is lower. If it is, which needs some renovations, then it needs some. The cap rate will be higher. So basically you have to look at different ways. And here is what the down payment, 20%, and this is what your down payment is, and your closing cost, because there will be always a closing cost. Actually I took a conservative number, lesser. It might sometimes even be higher, depends on the reimbursement and all the additional the closing costs, that adjustments what lawyer does, and also lawyer fees. So so based on this, I can see here my next 5 years gain will be 71,000. So total cash on return 33%. So this is my quick cash flow analysis, and this is cash flowing property. So if it is cash flowing, I'll go for it. And also if it doesn't, then I'll check out where it will make sense to me. I'll just change the price. Instead of 190, I'll make it 170. So does it make a cash flow? I'll go and check it out, see if it's so. The cap rate has gone up because our price went down. So I'll just play with it to just see. In hot markets like this, the below asking price might be a little bit impossible. So in that scenario, if it's too impossible, I'll just give up. If it is possible, I'll just get a number and get a realistic idea. I'll throw an offer, conditional offer, or I'll throw a low ball conditional offer. But I'll make sure I'll communicate clearly with my agent, because they know better the condition of the market. And also depends on, they can find, if they are smart, they will find from the seller agent, see what's the situation, what's going on with the property, if they have currently any offers and such kind of things. So basically this is what the cash flow analysis is. I usually get here first and I'll do like a bunch of properties, analyze them every day. If something that is cash flowing, if I get like at least 8 cap rate, if I get at least per door per month $100 per unit. So this is like 2-unit building and I'm getting like 1200 cash flow. It's kind of not so good. Again, this is what to give you a rough idea to basically start with. So if you do this analysis, it will become your second habit. So sometimes you just do the numbers on your head, but again, it's always good to throw it on paper if you are looking for investors, or all kind of scenarios. If you want to go back, if the property is sitting there for a long time, and then if you want to go back and throw an offer, so it's always make sure, check out make a cash flow analysis sheet and keep it in a folder. So basically what I do, I'll throw it in the Google Drive folder where it will stay forever until I delete it, so I can go back and check it out. So yeah, this is what the cash flow analysis, and I just two different with the different case scenarios, so that I know how much it would make based on each scenario. So yeah, play with it. Let me know. I hope I made make sense with the cash flow analysis, and let me know how do you like it in the comments below. And if you have something better than this cash flow, also please let me know. If possible, throw a link over there. Maybe I can shout out to everyone. If you have a best one. I just made this as a very simple one, so everyone can follow and do a simple quick math on. And then if you like the property, then go ahead and do more analysis. So take this as just a first step. So with that, thank you very much guys for sticking on me, and thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the like button if you like the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and also let me know if you want any more information regarding the real estate. So I love to talk about real estate. And also if you have an awesome story, please let me know in the comments below. Reach out to me. I want to share your story for others to inspire them to take actions. So with that, thank you very much and have a wonderful day. If you're watching during the daytime, if you're watching during the night, have a wonderful good night. Thank you.